Hi there, today we're gonna talk about the wire tensioner. This is mostly used in vines and maybe some fencing poles, and with it we tension stainless steel wire usually. So as you can see, this wheel has a lot of holes. This is for, let me remove the socket from my hand. This is to insert on both sides, so it breaks the wire, it stops the wire from getting out of the loop again. And the slot is where we will insert this wire. Okay, first we'll take off the braking method. A great thing about this is these are recyclable. As you can see, these are already used from all the corrosion from the environment they have, but they will serve a couple around 30 years easily. They won't corrode easily. So let me show you how they work. First, we insert the wire inside. We grab a socket with the same entrance, a matching pair, and attach it. So let me see. So it's on the, let's tension it a bit, so you're gonna see what happens. We start tension. Okay, I think that's more than fair and above. So we find there's a bit more. Let me show you like this, maybe it's better. As you can see, the wire is just right next to this and this hole. So what we need to do is break a bit more. The wire skips the hole and we insert it right through. The wire won't release itself because it's locked in position, and that's a job well done. It may be a bit loose, but don't worry, it's still tensile. It's loose mostly because the wire has a bit of length. So the longer the wire is, the more it will have a bit of leeway, but it's not that much. I can maybe tension it a bit more. So first we insert the socket, then we switch it up, we tighten it a bit more, then we release the brakes. Now I'm gonna leave them like this, so half the job is ready. Inserted, we tension a bit more, we find the next hole and get them in, and we're done. Now the leeway is a bit less, as you can see, and the wire is more tension. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up and also subscribe. Thanks a lot.